Good morning. Thank you for your continued efforts to stay informed during this crisis by joining me today. For most of us, this pandemic has felt months long, maybe years long, and it is hard to believe we are nearing May. The city is committed to keeping you informed and to remaining accessible during this crisis. I appreciate our residents who continue to write in and share their comments and concerns, and those who continue to follow the stay-at-home orders and face covering requirements. Last Friday, Governor Hogan outlined his Maryland Strong Road to Recovery plan, which would reopen our community in phases. I agree with Governor Hogan when he shared that our path must be gradual and responsible. Economic recovery and protecting public health are not opposing goals. They must work together, hand in hand. To begin the phased recovery plan, we need to have a 14-day downward trajectory. We may not be there yet, but we will get there, and when we do, this phased approach will be necessary to keep that trend going. Based on the governor's plan, the city is actively reviewing our operations and planning for reconstitution. At this time, we only have one update regarding current operations. As announced yesterday, Parks and Recreation has extended the closures of facilities, fields, and cancellations of classes, programs, and permits. The extensions include the William R. Talley Recreation Center and all satellite facilities will be closed through the city's state of emergency or May 31st, 2020, whichever is later. No new facility reservations are available at this time, and all existing reservations have been canceled and cannot be rescheduled at this time. All Talley Fitness Center memberships, including those with automatic billing, have been suspended. When the fitness center reopens, all memberships, including passes, will be reactivated on the patron's first visit back to the facility. All classes and programs are suspended through the city's state of emergency or May 31st, whichever is later. Participants will receive a refund, and those refunds will be processed and issued as promptly as possible. All park facility permits and parade, walk, race permits are canceled through the city's state of emergency or May 31st, whichever is later. Patrons will receive a refund. Refunds will be processed and issued as promptly as possible. New applications currently under review, and rescheduling requests for park facilities and parade, walk, and race approvals are not being accepted or processed at this time. As conditions warrant, the city will communicate plans to resume the application and permit process. Each department remains committed to ensuring the safety of our workforce and our community as we re-enter typical operations. As we transition through these phases in the coming months, we will keep you updated. The city's state of emergency will likely remain in effect through the end of phase 2. In addition to reviewing the recovery plan, we have been working to identify new ways to support our community, now and through the reopening. Over the last 2 weeks, we have held our 4 budget hearings where COVID-19 has been a consistent topic, and we continue to analyze the economic impact of this pandemic. We will host one more budget hearing on Thursday, May 7th at 7 p.m. And I encourage you to share your thoughts on our budget now through that meeting. Comments are accepted via our budget website, cityoffrederickmd.gov/194/budget. During our public hearing, you can also comment via telephone. Additionally, this afternoon, we have a Mayor and Board of Aldermen workshop where our COVID-19 response will continue to be addressed and developed. Please join us at 2 p.m. on Channel 99. Public comment will be accepted during this meeting via telephone as well. I greatly appreciate your comments and feedback on our discussions, especially during this time of uncertainty and turbulence. Lastly, I would like to remind the community that tomorrow night I will be participating in a virtual town hall. The Frederick Together Town Hall will be moderated by the Frederick News Post and will include 4 additional panelists: County Executive Jan Gardner, Dr. Barbara Brookmeyer of the Frederick County Health Department, Tom Kleinhansel, Frederick Health, and Rick Weldon of the Frederick County Chamber of Commerce. You can view this town hall on Channel 99 or on Facebook Live. We are still accepting questions for this town hall. We ask that you email jic@frederickcountymd.gov. More information is available on the city's Facebook page. Each day I continue to work to ensure our government is doing all we can to support you during these uncertain and challenging times. I know we are all making sacrifices, and we are making hard choices for the betterment of our community. Please continue to take action, because through continued, thoughtful action, we will be able to begin reopening, which I know we all want. We are still in this together. Be safe, Frederick.